Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome. This is a writing lesson. Today, we review months and seasons of the year through active writing.
Great. I want to practice writing in English.
First, we will do listen and write. You will hear a short text and write it carefully. Second, we will do make a sentence. You will use simple words to write your own sentences.
I like this. Writing helps me remember new words.
Exactly. Let's begin with listen and write. Listen and write. This activity is a dictation. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
Okay, I will listen and write carefully.
Step 1 is listen to the whole text. First, listen to the full text to understand the general idea. Step 2 is write what you hear. During the dictation, write the words you hear. Step 3 is check and correct. Compare your writing with the original text and fix mistakes. Keep your pencil ready. Do not worry if you miss one word. Now, listen to the dictation. My favorite month is April. In April, spring is warm and green. I go to the park with my sister. We see flowers and small birds. In July, summer is hot. We drink cold water and play after school. In December, winter is cold and I wear a big coat. Good listening. Now I will read the text, little by little. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Write each part you hear. My favorite month is April. In April. Spring is warm and green. I go to the park with my sister. We see flowers and small birds. In July. Summer is hot. We drink cold water and play after school. In December. Winter is cold. And I wear a big coat. Well done, everyone. You finished the dictation. Nexo, how was it?
It was good. Some words were difficult.
That is normal. Now, compare your writing with the original text and correct mistakes. Make a sentence. Now, we will build 6 sentences. Use one main word for each sentence. You can also use 20 helper words. Try to use simple grammar, like I like and it is.
Good. The main words help me start.
First, see an example. We will listen to Nexo do the exercise so you have a model. Second, make your sentences. You create your own sentences with the main words and helper words. Nexo, please make one example sentence with a season.
I like spring.
Nice example. Are you ready for more?
Yes, I am ready. January. January is cold. I like April. July. July is hot. October. October is in autumn. Spring. Spring is green. Winter. Winter is cold.
Excellent, Nexo. Your sentence was short and clear. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You practiced writing with months and seasons. Keep your sentences and read them again later. See you in the next writing lesson.